is it?
Aww.
Today we're going to be making egg fried rice. I've recently been inspired by this comedian, very funny guy who pretends to be a food critic. Uncle Roger, this one's for you. Let's get to it.
The basic ingredient is cooked then cooled rice, an assortment of vegetables including galangal from Southeast Asia. It's kind of like ginger root but milder, both chicken and quail eggs, a soy-based sauce, and a well-seasoned wok over very high heat. Rice may seem simple to cook, but it's easy to screw up. It must be rinsed a few times as follows.
So yeah, I'm gonna fill up the strainer in the bowl with water and the rice, and then give it a little massage. Draw out all those starches, and then drain it, and then repeat the process about 3 or 4 times. This is the second filling. Massage all the starches out, rinse and repeat. That's the name of the game. So it's been about the 4th rinse and drain. The water looks pretty clear. I'm going to put it into the rice cooker. Just going to dump that in there. I'm going to dump a little less than double the amount of water to rice. Even it out a bit. So I got this cheap used rice cooker. Got it on sale for about $10. Has a dent in it, but it works perfectly fine. Rice basin inside. Shut the lid. And then press go. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. Looks like we have some steam action. Anyway, it's a poor master who blames the tool. Seems like the rice is done. Let's take a look. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Whoa! Shit! Alright, yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Flaky. No water at the bottom. It's a thing of beauty. Probably gonna eat a cup of this tonight and save the rest for fried rice.
MSG has been labeled as an excitotoxin with potential negative neurological effects and could cause problems with male virility.
So, there's only one good place to put monosodium glutamate. In the trash. Watch out, though.
Then proceed to chop up all the vegetables, starting with the galangal. I use both orange and purple carrots for color contrast and nutritional benefits. Then the celery and onions. Then you want to fold the cilantro in half and finely chop it. Same goes for the spring onions, also known as scallions. I chop the garlic 2 ways, crushed then chopped. And finely sliced. In addition to chicken eggs, I include quail eggs to the mix because they have a higher protein content. Cut the quail eggs open with a sharp knife. Add white pepper and salt and the crushed garlic to the egg mix. I'm using a well-seasoned wok and decided to light a charcoal fire to get that high heat needed that my stove could not provide. Oil the hot wok, then cook in order the eggs, the vegetables, the rice, then the sauce. Enjoy the show. After the eggs are cooked, set them aside to reintegrate later.
if you know how to cook properly. And voila, fried rice.
Now the moment of truth for the fried rice. What do you think?
That's amazing.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, moment of truth for chef. Oh my God, so fresh. You can taste the garlic, taste the spring onions. No MSG, ever.
So I hope y'all enjoyed that fried rice video. Shout out to Uncle Roger for the inspiration. He's a little misguided with the MSG, but we can do better. Tonight, I'm going to finish with an Akintoshan 3-wood triple distilled scotch and this Monte Cristo AJ Fernandez cigar. Keep cooking. Until next time.